after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy. Scattered showers in the morning, then numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the upper 70s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. For Thursday night, considerable cloudiness. Numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the evening, then scattered showers after midnight. Humid with lows in the lower 60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. For Friday, considerable cloudiness. Scattered showers. Highs in the upper 70s. East winds 5 to...
There we go.
In Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG-53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast for west central Pennsylvania. For rest of today, mostly cloudy.